Guys, what's up? So today we are studying what is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the process of recording data relating to accounting transactions in the accounting books. Now, what are accounting transactions? Accounting transactions is basically how much money are you receiving, or how much money are you giving or paying, how much money someone owes you, or how much money you owe to someone else. This is all accounting transactions. Day-to-day transactions like this are recorded, and that record is known as bookkeeping. Alright guys? Bookkeeping is very common, and you might have seen a lot of people, even small organizations or small grocery stores and stuff, doing it as well. They are not really going into depths of accounting, but they do keep a book which is having all their transactions and all the information about their money. So yeah, that's bookkeeping for you. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!